Hello, this is Sebastian Moyapasa from Tucson, Arizona, United States, and this is your channel Geology, Life, and Healing. And at this time, we're going to talk about geology and how to recognize sulfide minerals in porphyry copper deposits. And it's a translation from Spanish in the book, and I call determinative mineralogy. I hope the translation is right. So this is going to be a good challenge for you because everything else is going to be in Spanish. So because most of the porphyry coppers around the world, it's in many Spanish speaking language. So it's going to be a good challenge for you. Okay, so let's start it. Let me go this way and open this one. And so the first thing, this video has two parts. One part is academicism from the university, and second part it's recognize the minerals in the hand specimens. So you will be able to see, not touch, but you will be able to see and determine which minerals because of the its physical characteristics, hardness, streak, color. Okay. Okay, let's start. Manual of Mineralogy of Dana, and the author is Cornelius Cornelis, and the third edition. This book is from 1986, and as I told you, everything is in Spanish. So that's chapter 12, determinative mineralogy, and everything you need to know is going to be in here. You can capture and maybe have some way to translate it. And next one, you have more information in this area. All this part, hardness, texture, and something I'm gonna focus in this table of determination or determinative tables. So general classification of the tables. So this is talking about the brightness of the mineral, of course, metallic or submetallic, right? And the first one that we want to focus in minerals with hardness is less than 2, and it says it makes a mark over the paper, and you have, if this is the which minerals are the hardness is lower than 2.5. One is molybdenite. The second one is calcosite. The third one is cobellite. So those will be in, but the other ones, chalcopyrite, bornite, magnetite is primary mineral too. It's over 2.5 and 5.5. So it will make a streak, but with a knife. It's a cortaplumas with a knife, and it's not making mark or trace easily on paper. And go this page 510, and so that's the way how you're going to determine which way are you going. So once you have those two for the sulfides, and then one of the ones we are going to focus is molybdenite. You see the streak, black or black green is color. How is the color? Black, blue, right? And all this, the hardness is between 1 and 1.5, right? And you see this page, you're gonna have the description. The next one, this is cobellina, which is cobellite, blue, indigo blue, maybe has some plating of black, black, or black blue, and it's a copper sulfide. So next one, let's go for the next one. So the biggest one in the porphyry copper deposit is the Calcosite, right? It's in Spanish they call calcocina, but they can pronounce also chalcosite. So in what is the streak? The streak of the calcosite is black or grease. In grease metallic could be changed to black, made, or when it's exposed to the air. The hardness 2.5 and 3. So when it's the that's the metallic one, but the calcosite is less than 2.5, and it's copper sulfide. So next one, and we are going to see pyrite. So this is the characteristics, and magnetite black. They didn't put the streak, but the streak will be red. So the last one, chalcopyrite, color laton yellow. Yeah, it's like steel, it's yellow. And a streak, they didn't put it, but it's black, dark gray too. And this is a copper iron sulfide. You see this page, you find more. And the next good book is Tratado de Mineralogía from Dana Ford too. And this is the from 1986 too. And something I want to see in this one is the description of, in this case, for the specific mineral, calcosite has all this group, everything you have to know, names, everything, crystallography, all the data, crystals, impression, composition, crystal, how they occur, observation, all the data you might need, and how is important the uses of copper, and until you have all the information for your recognition. Okay, so from here, let's go directly to the samples, hand samples, and that's the second part. I hope you enjoy. See you there. So these are the tools that we are going to use for mineral determination in perfect copper deposits. And this is a scratcher, a magnet, knife, 335 for the hardness, and hand lenses. But in this case, I'm going to zoom, so you don't need to use hand lenses in this time. The first mineral that we are going to see in this time is calcosite. Calcosite has two forms in the perfect copper systems. The massive one is this. So if we see how it has been scratched, now we have the lines over there. It's metallic streak, right? So and it's heavy, dark, gray, black, heavy, dark, black. And in this one, we see in the face have some bornite in here, but black, gray, right? Let me scratch it, right? Black, gray, black, right? So it's calcosite, and one of the origin is like this. The center, everything is chalcopyrite, but at the borders, dark gray, black, calcosite. So one time it was like this, but everything became like that. From here to there, that's how it makes the massive calcosite. This is the second form of calcosite. In English we call the calcosite, and it's relatively very soft, like this. It's scratched so easily, like that. It's very soft. And I have another one in there, right? Oh, this is the calcosite. And I have another one in here, very soft, right? If I take it, I can take it in my hands. And another sample in there, right? All this is soft, dark gray, black, streak, calcosite. Yeah, another calcosite in here, but something is happening with this calcosite. It's all this blue is becoming calcite, so it's getting copper sulfate, right? So it's with water. We react, make it calcite. Okay, I want to add one more sample for the calcosite. You see the fine grain black gray dots? That's the calcosite. That's how it looks in the rock. Okay, now this one black gray. Okay, that's how it looks like in the hand sample. And one side, the other side. Next mineral in this case is chalcopyrite, yellow, bright yellow. It's chalcopyrite too, bright yellow. And the streak, what would be the streak? Black gray, gray black, but the main difference is the color. It's bright, like looking gold, right? Over there, chalcopyrite here. Oh, this is the chalcopyrite. And I have one more like that, yellow, bright. That's it. All chalcopyrite. Okay. And another sample in here. You see, all this yellow and yellow bright, and there are blues, marine blues. That's cobalt. Okay. So from here we can just close and see the cobalt. This distinct, unique. You can see the blue marine, and that's the cobalt. Over here too. The blue marine, the cobalt, yellow bright chalcopyrite. That's how it looks like. And one more. And this is the blue marine. Yep, the blue marine. That's a cobalt. The perfect upper systems. And another cobalt in there. The cobalt with chalcopyrite, bright yellow, right? That's how it looks like. The cobalt. And more last one. That's how it looks, the cobalt. The next one that I want to add, it's pyrite, iron sulfide, right? What's the streak? The streak is going to be dark gray black too, right? You can see the streak. I hope you can see it. Dark gray black. But what's the difference? It's the yellow is lighter color than the chalcopyrite, right? You put it together, you have chalcopyrite in there, and this is going to be the pyrite. Way much different, right? And another pyrite sample, all the shiny yellow, light color. It's a pyrite. Next mineral that I want to show in this case is molybdenite. It's a quartz vein. You see all this blue line, all this line, the molybdenite, the quartz vein. This is autoclase in the other side also the molybdenite. That's how it looks like in the rock. The next one, let's see if we can see better. All this is the blue, light blue. It's the molybdenite, and the center we have chalcopyrite, and this is a vein, right? Like this. If you see like that, it's a vein, right? Another sample. See, in this case, this is a vein, molybdenite. All the shiny blue ones over there. So molybdenite, and one more in there. vein, right? Molybdenite. That's how it looks in the porphyry copper systems. And this is the one vein, two veins, three veins, four veins, set of veins, right? It's some with molybdenite, some with quartz and molybdenite, right? Different generations. And the biggest question that everybody will say, how do you know it's molybdenite? Molybdenite is soft, so you can scratch with your nail. You scratch it, you scratch it, yes, scratch. And the other thing is very soft. It's metallic, soft, and as you can see, let me get out my finger if I can. All that is molybdenite in my fingers. So it's blue. So it's in the industry, they use as a lubricant too. So this is very soft. Right, so that's the test for the molybdenite. It kind of stick in the fingers. Okay. And do you like it? So do you think it might help you with your mineralogy class? Or if you already finished at university, maybe this might help you to pass your first interview to work in the porphyry copper industry. I hope it does. I hope it helps you. And from my heart, let me express my gratitude to you for watching this video. And if you like it, subscribe, put a like to help others to make progress, advancement, and increase in their lives. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.